All right, so now we're going to go and look at challenge number 2 here. Let me get my writing tools out. So once again, keeping with that same idea of finding out where that line strikes the y-axis and then the movement of the line. Here we go. So let's look at our line. You may notice as I'm running my red line across is that line is already going down. So in a sense, the slope of the movement of the line is going to be negative, okay? But where does it strike the y-axis? It strikes at -1. How do I know that? 0, moving down -1. Okay. So -1, put my x, put my fraction bar. Let's change colors for the rise over the run. Let's take a look here. Oh, wow. I was able to make that right triangle pretty quickly. So it looks like it rises up 1, and then it runs 1. The line is going down, therefore it's a negative. Okay. And then I put my y in my equal sign. Now, once again, this is kind of messy, so let's clean this up. If I find the quotient of that, as my students know, we call wind up, or if you think about arithmetic, 1 divided by 1 is going to give you 1. So in algebra, we don't normally put the 1 in front of it. We just leave it. And as my students know, we call that the invisible uno, or the invisible 1. So even though this is really 1, in algebra we don't tend to put the 1s there. I don't know why, just something. And so I let my students know that that really is like an invisible 1 that's there. So that's your equation of that line right there. It struck at -1 on the y-axis, and then I moved up 1 and moved over 1 for the movement for it to continue on. And you'll notice, parents, rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1. So we can consistently make that line like that now. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next challenge video.